All right, so, you know, it's Feel Good Friday, right? So, everybody can dance, but I know everybody a dancer. Like I. See me? So, African urban culture has been taking the world by storm, including its latest dance styles like the Guera, and Shaku, which have attracted fans all over the world, I suspect. In addition to celebrities such as Rihanna, Neo, and Clara. This morning, Sim and I will be added to that list because Conray Richards is here to show us to do a couple of these moves. I don't know why he's here, because Sim and I, nobody can dance like...
No, speak for yourself.
Well, nobody can dance like I, and I usually get her to tag along. So I don't know, but we can show Conray some.
Are we going to talk to Drumline first, though? Find out what the top 3 Afro beats are.
Yeah, I know.
What's happening, man? So this is a big genre now.
Yeah.
Davido mash it with, he kind of broke into it with this tune.
Yeah.
So this one is called, what name? Fall. Yeah. All right, give us your other top 2.
So, well, this is in my top 2. So Fall is the first one. And
is
the
this
other
song
one,
still hot?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It's still hot. I mean, the genre has been, every DJ basically have an Afrobeat set now.
Oh, nice.
And 2 years ago, it wasn't like that. So you have to see, you know, the impact of the music over a short space of time.
Is who just do a tune with Chris Brown? Which African Afrobeats artist?
Not sure, probably Wizkid.
No, man. I want to feel his Davido same way, you know. All right, next.
You're going to show Sim to me.
Yes. Wait, no, so which one are we doing first? Guara? Wait, name.
All right, so Guara.
Can we get some volume
right?
on the music?
Yeah, so basically it's a bounce, eh? It's a bounce, but you lean to one side, so it's called you leaning to the right. So every time you press on your leg, you knee bend, and you swing it in, yeah? Like that. Step.
Like that?
Tap.
No, never, this look like
Tap.
never dance already.
Tap.
I tell you, so everybody in the world that do me dance.
Tap. Yeah, tap. Tap. All right. So now we get lower. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now your hand now, like your hand go with it, like that.
Sister Didi, help me look.
Ba. Hey. Ba. All right, double time. And your hands can do anything.
Give me a lick up myself. I'm going to tell you.
So your hand them free now.
So it's a right foot dance alone?
Yeah, I mean you can go left if you want.
But me that left footer.
Yeah.
Somebody said this man that me look like me and Fitz. Well, see Fitz here.
No, that was actually well done. You look like you're fit.
So I wasn't doing it
so
right.
Let me see. I wasn't sure. Let me see.
All right.
Mind you drop.
Left side.
First thing, I'm tired already. That's the first thing.
You kind of, baby was already.
So we go.
See me look good.
Yes.
Alright, you do it, Mika.
No. I'm good. I'm ready to move on to the next dance.
Alright. So
well, no, don't move on 1 second. Run it and give me a little set, like a little 30 seconds. Run it through, make I say exactly how everything looks. Yeah.
Alright. So Guara. 1, 2, 1, 2.
So we go. Left.
Right. Left. You go.
Well, you know, they were talking earlier how police come lock up the sound. Well, if I'm a police officer and come in and see you doing that, it's you me a lock up. Me would have leave the sound and carry you go to jail because you look like you ought to hurt somebody.
This genre takes a lot of energy.
All right, next one. How many look, Conray?
You might look good, do the thing, man.
Thank you very much.
I don't think, man. I don't know. I mean,
yeah.
The first time you do say,
thank you very much.
More practice
Thank
go
you.
along.
Plus, me old people take long to learn.
I mean, but you're the good same way.
Old people go to cost me. This old man take long to learn. Yeah, next thing. Run
right, so,
you ever do one summer?
So we say Shaku, right?
What is one name? Shaku.
Yeah.
This almost like the exercise
almost
like
like
the boys' name.
What?
They're great dance in the world.
So now with the hands?
Oh, the hands.
Oh,
yeah. So now you can go 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. And then your bottom when you see them stay so.
Hold on. You know.
Call me.
I just realized why I don't do the other dances so wonderfully. My African heritage just jumped in a while ago because I feel it.
That exercise, do the one you go with the boys at practice.
Oh, this one goes.
Yeah. That's similar.
The same dance.
That's
Come
similar.
from
But
Africa.
Same dance.
I am
That's no
from
jump.
Africa. Where Baba there?
But-
Say Baba right here. All right, Conway, great to see you. Conway Richards of Beam Dance Studio. By the way,
Okay, and my pants are dropping.
international gospel sensation Travis Green joins us on set after the shot.
Joanna, go busy body, busy tonight.